Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Uniswap value equivalent to $11,324 a coin. The present exchange cost range, $10.269, $11.936. The earlier day close, $11.339. The change was 0.15 91%. Converse rate, US to Uni. To start with cost at 0.56 coins. Exorbitant costs in 72, while lows in a 56. They found the middle value of cost 63. The US to Uni gauge toward the month's end 67, change for June 19.6%. US to Uni expectation for July 2024. Initially cost at 0.67 coins. Excessive costs to 67, while lows are on 54. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 62. The US to Uni figure toward the month's end 58, change for July 13.4%. Initially cost at 0.58 coins. Excessive costs U58, while lows on 47. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.53. The US to Uni figure toward the month's end 0.50, change for August 13.8%. US to Uni expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at 0.50 coins. Excessive costs 53, while lows on 46. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.50. The US to Uni figure toward the month's end 0.49, change for September 2%. Dollar to Uniswap figure for October 2024. At the outset cost at 0.49 coins. Excessive costs 0.52, while low zone 45. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.49. The US to Uni conjecture toward the month's end 0.48, change for October 2%. At the outset cost at 0.48 coins. Excessive cost 0.50, while low zone 43. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.47. The US to Uni conjecture toward the month's end 0.46, change for November 2%. Dollar to Uniswap figure for December 2024. Before all else cost at 0.46 coins. Excessive cost 0.46, while low zone 37. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 42. The US to Uni figure toward the month's end 0.40, change for December 13%. US to Uni expectation for January 2025. Before all else cost at 0.40 coins. Exorbitant costs 0.41, while low zone 35. They found the middle value of cost 0.39. The US to Uni estimate toward the month's end 0.38, change for January 5%. Dollar to Uniswap estimate for February 2025. First and foremost cost at 0.38 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.40, while low zone 35. They found the middle value of cost 0.38. The US to Uni estimate toward the month's end 0.37, change for February 6%. US to Uni expectation for WARC 2025. At the outset cost at 0.37 coins. Excessive costs 39, while lows on 34. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 37. The US to Uni conjecture toward the month's end 0.36, change for spring 7%. Dollar to Uniswap conjecture for April 2025. At the outset cost at 0.36 coins. Excessive costs from 38, while lows on 33. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 36. The US to Uni conjecture toward the month's end 0.36, change for April 0%. US to Uni expectation for May 2025. Initially cost at 0.36 coins. Excessive costs 38, while lows in 33. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 0.36. The US to Uni figure toward the month's end 0.36, change for May 0%. Dollar to Uniswap estimate for June 2025. First and foremost cost at 0.36 coins. Exorbitant costs 36, while low zone 29. They found the middle value of cost 33. The US to Uni estimate toward the month's end 31, change for June 13.9%. US to Uni expectation for July 2025. In the first place cost at 0.31 coins. Exorbitant costs 32, while lows on 28. They found the middle value of cost 30. The USD Uni gauge toward the month's end 0.30, change for July 3.2%. In the first place, cost at 0.30 coins. Exorbitant costs N38, while lows N30. They found the middle value of cost 0.34. The USD Uni gauge toward the month's end 0.36, change for August 20%. To start with, cost at 0.36 coins. Exorbitant costs 0.36, while lows on 31. They found the middle value of cost on 34. The USD Uni gauge toward the month's end 0.33, change for September 8.3%. Dollar to Uniswap figure for October 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.33 coins. Exorbitant costs 34, while lows on 29. They found the middle value of cost at 32. The USD Uni gauge toward the month's end 0.31, change for October 6.1%. USD Uni expectation for November 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.31 coins. Exorbitant costs 40, while lows on 31. They found the middle value of cost at 35. The USD Uni gauge toward the month's end 0.37, change for November 19.4%. Dollar to Uniswap gauge for December 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.37 coins. Exorbitant costs on 37, while lows on 30. They arrived at the midpoint of costs are 34. The USD Uni conjecture toward the month's end 0.32, change for December 13.5%. USD Uni expectation for January 2026. At the outset, cost at 0.32 coins. Excessive costs on 39, while lows on 32. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 35. The USD Uni conjecture toward the month's end 37, change for January 15.6%. Dollar to Uniswap conjecture for February 2026. To start with, cost at 0.37 coins. Exorbitant costs 47, while lows on 37. They found the middle value of cost on 41. The USD Uni gauge toward the month's ends or 43, change for February 16.2%. USD Uni expectation for Walk 2026. To start with, cost at 0.43 coins. Exorbitant costs 56, while lows on 43. They found the middle value of cost on 49. The USD Uni figure toward the month's end 0.52, change for spring 29%. Dollar to Uniswap figure for April 2026. Initially cost at 0.52 coins. Excessive costs N53, while lows are N46. They arrived at the midpoint of costs are 50. The USD Uni figure toward the month's end 0.49, change for April 5.8%. USD Uni expectation for May 2026. Before all else, cost at 0.49 coins. Excessive costs are 58, while lows are 49. They arrived at the midpoint of costs are at 53. The USD Uni figure toward the month's end 0.54, change for May 10.2%. Dollar to Uniswap gauge for June 2026. In the first place,